So we can't park it, but let's just drive through, because you will be starting from here, and we'll go right down to the end of the laneway. Just go real slow here. So you'll be starting off from one of these spaces here on the right where the signs are.
Yeah.
And then 9 times out of 10.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's nice, eh? That's a Porsche, man. Or a Mustang.
It's an electric Mustang.
Wow, I haven't seen those yet. So 9 times out of 10, they'll start you off going out this way.
Okay.
And so we'll start your road test now. It's going to be silent. Left turn, please. And a right turn onto LaSalle. If they don't say anything at all, just assume they want you to go straight.
Okay.
So we'll do the same thing. Can you locate and operate your windshield wipers? Okay, please make a left lane change. And a left turn at the lights. First right turn. Oops. Let's just pull over here for a second. Okay, we'll do the same thing, 3-point turn. Left turn at the intersection, please. At the controlled intersection, please make a right turn. They say please a lot. They're very polite that way.
Yeah.
I find you're lucky with the light there. 9 times out of 10, it's usually red. It's difficult. Please make a left lane change. And a left turn at the lights. right turn at the intersection. Damien just failed his road test for failing to stop. On the hill here. Which way did you turn your wheels? Okay, good. Okay, we'll take off. Parking uphill with a visible curb, Damien forgets to check his right blind spot before pulling over to the side of the road, but he does turn his wheels the correct way, and then before pulling away, he forgets to straighten his wheels so that he pulls away from the curb gradually.
That just does its thing, right? If you press it back, it's gonna stop.
That's right, yeah. You just like hold it a couple seconds, let it go, and it'll go through its cycle.
Yeah.
And a right turn at the intersection. We're gonna go straight at the lights. Make the first right turn here. And we'll head over to the other side of the parking lot. That little car there will do the reverse parking. Just right beside it.
Yeah.
So that's it, man. Yeah, park a brake. So how do you think you did?
I think I messed up on one stop sign.
Yes, you did. You noticed. Okay, so yeah, because there was that car in front of you, right?
Yeah, then I didn't really think about it.
Right. So that could have been an automatic fail right there. But everything else is great, man. Your speed's a little bit too fast on LaSalle.
Okay.
What's the speed limit?
50.
Yeah, 50. So you're going like 56, 57, and I wasn't sensing you were bringing it down. I was watching that, and I counted 5 seconds, and you were still over the speed limit. So you got to be really super vigilant about that on LaSalle. So it was on the way out to the lights at the graveyard. You were doing that, and also on the way back too, after the right turn. So yeah, everything is really good. You're backing into a space is fine, like a little bit far here, but that's, I mean, we're in the winter, so Also, too, you'll find it much easier at the road test center. You'll more than likely have 2 cars, so be able to, you'll have reference points on each side of you. So you're operating the windshield wipers. See, they got this here. Unable to locate, adjust, operate safety devices. That includes the windshield wipers, so that's good. You're doing that good. Backing is good. Driving along, like I said, just be careful of that. That's a major error is your speed. So you got to keep that below, like keep it at 50. And your turns are excellent. So that was the biggie right there.
Yeah.
Failing to obey the sign inadvertently. You see, things can happen, eh? Like it's just like, yeah. So just
I
be
noticed
careful.
it right away.
Okay. That's the main thing. You noticed.
Yeah.
So out of a score of 100, you got 4 times 3, that's 12. So you got an 88.
Okay.
You needed an 80 to pass. So had it not been for these little things, that's you could have got 100 points.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and I'm being hard on you because
Yeah.
you know, for the real test, you're going to be ready, man. You're going to be ready to go if you just control your speed and make sure you stop.
We can do another one tomorrow.
Yeah, we can do another one. Tomorrow counts. Tomorrow counts. You have to get an 80%.
Oh, okay.
Your parking on a hill is stellar. You got that, no problem. So you've got a lot of room. Basically, with their test, they start you off with 0 points, and they allow you to make 15 minor mistakes. That's a lot. Each mistake is like 2 points each.
What would be a minor mistake?
Minor mistake is like maybe the parking maneuver didn't work out, or the 3-point turn, or let's say you forget to signal or something.
Yeah.
Just small things like that, little details. And most people, they don't fail because they made too many mistakes. It's usually because they've done something illegal, like rolling through a stop sign.
Yeah.
Or let's say I had one guy, excellent driver like you,
Yeah.
and I was floored. He came back and he failed, and I'm like, what happened? He says, it was the first time I ever encountered an ambulance. It was coming up behind me, and like he said he knew what to do in theory, but he didn't respond. He was kind of frozen, right? And he didn't pull over. So he failed to where is it here? Everything's so small I can't see. Somewhere here it says failing to
Police fails to obey single sign pavement marketing police officer.
Yeah. Jeez. There's somewhere around here another one. For emergency vehicle right here. There we go.
Yeah.
Fails to use caution or obey emergency vehicles. That was an automatic fail for him. Yeah. So like, you know, stuff happens.
Yeah.
There are no guarantees. But I think for you, you're not going to be surprised
No, there's an ambulance.
by anything like that. So yeah, yeah.